This is Yusuf Pathan again from Sourcing Adda. You must have seen a couple of videos before about the experience of the top performers in the RPL. So we have with us Arindam, who is also a top performer in the RPL. He's amongst the top 10 people. So let's hear it from him as to how was his experience with RPL. How did he start with his recruitment journey? So let's hear it from him. So Arindam, tell us about your recruitment journey so far.
Sure. It's been almost around 6 years right now in this industry. So I've been initially starting my journey in a recruitment firm, and in fact followed by working in many corporates around the globe. In fact, starting with L&T, followed by CGI, and right now I'm in Akamai. So my journey is moreover looking almost into the every part of the world, if if I can give you an idea about. So initially, to start off my career, I initially started in India, but later on moved into different regions. Initially, I used to cover APAC completely. Now I'm taking care of EMEA as well. So I do have a blend of both EMEA as well as APAC hiring altogether. So my major role and activity which I have played is the world outside job portal. So whatever I have learned till now is apart from what you see it outside job portal. So my resource identification is majorly focused on all those areas. If, in fact, talk about GitHub, Stack Overflow, StackShare, and many more. There is like a deep ocean around it. So in fact, I start exploring there, and my resource identifications are mainly from there. I mean, if you talk about candidate identification, so yeah, that's much about my brief journey of 6 years around in the recruitment industry. If I have to give you an idea about, so that's much about.
Okay, so I mean, you rightly said. I mean, there's a huge ocean outside of job portals. Also, job portals is just maybe you can call it a small lake or a pond of candidates. So I am basically a fan of job portals. I like job portals because it's a good source. But the problem is because recruiters are so involved in job portals that they actually don't look at these sites. And trust me, there's a lot of information on these sites. And one of our main intentions through Sourcing Adda is to get people on these different platforms also, let them get them learn these different techniques and all. Yeah. So, Arindam, tell us, I mean, how did you get into recruitment? Was it by choice or was it by accident? How did you?
My journey in recruitment was always by choice. Initially, to start off my career with, when I was doing my MBA, I got offered in two of those companies. One was in consulting business. The other one was majorly a corporate. So I have planned down my complete career initially when I started with, because this is where I wanted to learn things across. I have that marketing blend, in fact, initially to give you an idea about, but since if you talk about, in fact, I am not basically from Bangalore, I am from the northern part of the India. So language barrier was always there. Right. So during my MBA time, I thought that let's work around little differently, which is like, let's use my marketing skill over here in the HR where you don't have a lot of language barrier coming in fact. So there's where my recruitment journey started, in fact, from my MBA days. And that's how it is going in. And definitely to answer your question, it is always by choice. It was never by a chance.
Great. I mean, I think during these interviews, I found out you're the second person who said you've actually taken this profession by choice. Because a lot of people don't want to get into recruitment. I don't know what the problem is, but there are a lot of success stories we can actually look in where people have actually made a career in recruitment. People normally want to move into HR generalist role or maybe some other roles, but not get into recruitment. But good, I mean, you made a good choice and you've been successful in doing that. Okay. So now let's talk something about RPL. So how did you learn about RPL?
I am actually a regular follower of Sourcing Adda group. I mean, in
Right.
fact, that's one, or that is the top amongst
Yeah.
what you have it in India, apart from what you see it internationally, say it's SourceCon, say it's Soshu. So this is something which is at the top, in fact, where you get mingled upon with top post sourcer around here in India. So there's where the journey started initially. And in
Okay.
fact, from there also, I learned about that there is a competition that is running in. But talking about, in fact, on the professional side, it's actually a very busy time we are having it right now in the organization because there's a lot of hiring that is going on
Yeah.
throughout in different positions, especially in EMEA region.
Okay.
Uh, I thought that let's give that extra time towards it. So I usually finish my day somewhat around close to 11:30 p.m. To 12:30 a.m. around that time. So I
Okay.
thought let's take the challenge post that because that's my time to work around. So in fact, that's where I started, doing all the questions all together.
Okay.
So just to give you an idea about how it was, I felt like it was very similar to what we used to play in our old days, like treasure hunting. So in fact,
Right.
if you go and reach to that position, so you will find out that's the only answer you are looking forward to. So there would be a
Right.
lot of exploration that would go around it, but
Yeah.
it is actually a very fun activity to enjoy with what you are going to see. The questions, what were there, it was really fun. You have to really put up your mind into different places, not limit your thought, put ideas into action, connect all those dots together, and then find out a solution. But when you reach to that point of the answer, what you're looking forward to, you would not have a second option in mind. So
Right.
that's how it was, in fact.
Nice. So, which was your favorite question?
I mean, I do have a lot of favorite question, honestly, talking about it because uh, there was some beautician talking about a beautician, like I
Yeah.
think there was a beautician question over there. So initially I found her LinkedIn profile, but when I went and searched, in fact, the website, what she have provided, the
Mm.
website had some errors over there.
Right.
So
Yeah.
in fact, we were finding some concerns over there, and we're not able to, in fact, find out that what exactly, you know, in fact, working around like, how do I find the administrator? Then I just, something clicked in my mind that there is something called who is lookup option through
Yes.
which you can actually find out the solution of it, because I tried doing it close to 2 years back. So it was somewhere mingling around my mind that, is this the way how you find that answer? So in fact, I tried out that option and certainly it worked out. That's how you get the answer for that question.
Yes. Whois.com is the website from where you get the
Yeah,
answer. Yes.
that's right.
Um,
That's right.
yeah. Okay. And did you learn anything from RPL? Anything
Yes,
new
I did.
which you learned? Yeah.
I did. I mean, in fact, there were a lot of stuffs where, in fact, as Akbar used to say it, like, stalking in a right way.
Right.
So, so that's the quote he used it. In fact, when I was having a conversation with him during the event, what we had it in Bangalore some time back.
Yeah. That's not.
So yeah, there are lot many things that is there to learn, because you will have an open prospect to see many other ways opening down. So you're thinking that, yeah, this is the only option to through which you can find something. But
Right.
once you get an option to work around that, no, this option is not working out. Let's explore other option around. Let's
Mm.
find out something different. If you talk about, I was also stuck on that, stack share question that you have.
Actually. Yes.
So in fact, initially I was trying to put an X-ray. I tried Graph UI. I mean, I just moved into the next level, but then I thought that I did some mistake over there and tried to do a reverse engineering from there, where I found it like whatever the answer is.
Yes.
So yeah, there is always a learning. In fact, from here there is also great learning that I'm taking away. So which will certainly be helpful for me to use in my daily sourcing that I do it for EMEA. So
Great.
yeah.
Great. So now you've been into sourcing, and then, like you mentioned, that you've been doing sourcing a lot apart from job portals. So you've been looking at tools like GitHub, Stack Overflow. So do you have any mantra for our audience, any sourcing mantra or a recruitment mantra which you want to share it with the audience?
Yes, I mean, in fact, if you talk about portal-based sourcing, it gives you a lot of limitations. So, in fact, the problem of social, I mean, the actives, I mean, what you call it as the portal-based sourcing is, you find only active set of talent pool over there, where it's like not only you, there are hundreds of company reaching out to them, and moreover, the concern what you face is, it's like the candidate, when a candidate get a choice to make, they would definitely try to do a lot of shopping around with the offer what you have initially provided. So the main idea to take social media hiring as one of the other piece is to just target those passive set of talent pool.
Right.
Because usually what happen, in fact, you are reaching out to a candidate who is actually not looking out for a job. And initially you are doing all those conversation which is related to the job and explaining you that this is what is the role you are having it, and you are trying to gain the attention of that candidate for that particular role.
Right.
If you are able to convince that person to take that role, so there would be very less chance that the candidate ditches you at the last moment,
Right.
because you are the only person approaching that person, and the person is very happy about the role and whatever you are offering to that candidate. So
Right.
yes, for me, always try to make two kind of pools whenever you are hiring. One is look into the active set of talent pool.
Right.
If it is a regular, go ahead with the active set of talent pool, which is your job portal, but never miss out on the passive set of talent pool as well, because you never know what mindset people might be. They just need a gentle push altogether, if just to make them interest for a role. So that's the idea.
Thank you, Arindam. And I also love this thing. I mean, basically, people are too job portal focused, which is not a bad thing. But yes, they should be actually looking at different tools, different techniques. There's so much of candidates. There's so much of information available. Okay. So lastly, I just want to understand if there's any suggestion, any improvements you want to do on, on Sourcing Adda. If you have any recommendations.
I think we should organize it quite often, because
Okay.
this is some kind of fun that you usually get apart from your job. It's not only related to your job prospect, what you do on day-to-day basis, but it keeps that eagerness within yourself to explore something new altogether. And I certainly say this is a brilliant way to share information and learn about something which you might not know about, because there might be some set of question in that 21 questions what was there, which it's quite common that you won't know everything, each and everything, right? So
Right.
you usually do a little bit of research on all those questions whenever you try to do, which is not very familiar to you. So you
Right.
basically find the answers to that question, and also a way to utilize it in your daily job life, whatever you are doing it.
Right.
So I think Sourcing Adda should continue it. It shouldn't be a yearly kind of engagement. Rather, we can have it as a quarterly engagement, which is
Wonderful.
actually keep the team more engaged, and we have
Sure.
more fun together and a great learning session together.
Sure. Your feedback taken. We'll definitely try and implement this
Sure,
moving forward every quarter or maybe monthly. We'll see how we can do it, but we'll surely implement it. Okay.
sure, sure,
Yeah.
sure.
So thank you so much, Arindam, for your time. I all the best for the phase two. Now the phase two is already, it started. So all the best for the phase two, and I
Thank
hope
you.
win the RPL. So good luck for that. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Same here. Thank you.